Alright, so starting from 1 on the muscle fiber model B60. So this is a myofibril. These little red dots are all mitochondria.
It's like raised up.
All of them stuck in there. Number 3 is the motor end plate. Oh, it's hard to see.
Yeah.
Which is here.
When you're looking and learning some of these
The yellow?
mental note is
The white.
No, it's the white.
The white on the inside?
Because this space right here is actually called the synaptic cleft. That's a gap between whatever the axon,
So the
the
white,
axon terminal.
so the white area is the motor end plate.
That's how we're going to ask the foramen.
The lining right here, this is the motor end plate.
Okay. Okay.
It was really hard to see on this thing. Let me get in. There we go. Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
I was just
7
questioning your hand on the system, what makes up
is a Schwann cell, which is this.
and it's the synovial bone, and the synovial bone.
The whole thing.
You guys know what Schwann cells are?
Oh, no. Yeah, we're not gonna,
No.
we're not
Schwann
gonna
cells is another name for the myelin sheath, and the myelin sheath is what covers the actual long part of the axon to help deliver that signal, the
The only loose
whatever that
cell bones
signal,
that
the
we put on there would be more than the sweet.
action potential to have it go fast through the axon. If it's not myelinated, or if it doesn't have Schwann cells on it to cover it, that signal is not going to travel as fast. It's going to go very, very slow. That's why people that don't have like myelinated nerves get like random nerve twitches like that, because there's nothing to help.
I get that.
Well, I think that's just because you sleep. Okay, now we're getting on. The film's already 2 minutes long.
Are you filming that?
Yeah. All right. So then this is the nucleus. Yeah, of the Schwann cell. Number 9 is the myofilament. Oh, let's see what that is. So it's this dark part. So this dark part is the myofilaments, which is the myosin inside of the I can't talk.
Is it every dark part or just that one dark part?
Every dark part.
Every
that's
dark
like that.
part?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every dark part. Because remember, it just keeps going. You see that? Remember that little picture? That one? That just keeps repeating itself over and over and over and over again.
Okay, and it also says right here the myofilaments, myosin, dark color, and then the actin.
So then 11. Oh, my bad. 10 is a sarcomere. So 10 is a sarcomere, which is this whole thing. No, this whole thing. From here to here. From, I want to say that to Z disc to Z disc. From Z disc to Z disc is one whole sarcomere. Just like it is right there. In your thing. Yep. That picture at the bottom, yep. 11 is myofilaments, which is the actin, so it's the light color. So 11 is this light colored stuff, all right here. And 12 is the myelin sheath. So this right here.
Is it just the lines?
It's just the layers.
The layers.
And then 13 is the actual axon. Because remember I told you that the myelin sheath is what covers the axon. So it's showing you, like you can see right here, this is the myelin sheath, this is the axon.
So the yellow.
Yeah. Alright, so 14 is sarcolemma, which is the hole. Yeah. You could see it around the bottom, and then you can just see like a small piece of it. But yeah, all of this. 15 are the T tubules, which remember we said are the blue things. And remember the T tubules are a continuation of the sarcolemma, which is why you see the holes right here. So the T tubules are a continuation of the sarcolemma. That's why you see it has a hole right here. And it's just, it goes all the way through. Because that's what helps send the signal. That's what's like all those circles. It's on the signal side. Alright, 16 is the triad. So any place where these three meet like that is going to be a triad. Got it? So any place where these three meet is going to be called a triad. So it's going to be multiple triads. It's not just
Try three.
Yeah, exactly. So the 2 white, the 1 blue, triad. Alright, 17 is the sarcoplasmic reticulum, which is, like you said, the beige stuff. So this is all the SR, sarcoplasmic reticulum. All of that.
Cervical epidurals. I'm sorry, lumbar epidurals.
18 is endomysium, which is this stuff right here. This is the endomysium. So you see how these lines? Technically, you can make a little E out of them. E, endomysium. This is the endomysium. And then 20 is nucleus of the muscle cell.
So like those are the ones you can see.
So it's nucleus of the muscle cell. Just don't get confused because all the purple are nuclei, but they're in different places, obviously. So you need to know where that nuclei falls is what it belongs to. Since that nucleus is right on the myofibril, it's going to be nucleus of the muscle cell. That nucleus is within the Schwann cell. Yeah. Okay? Remember, all these little red dots are the mitochondria.
So, or as